G'day there, my FTX buddies. If you haven't got your account, 10% off your trading fees in the description below. It will show you also how to raise your orders long and short and manage your risk. This is brought to you by FTX, and I want to show you some of the things I'm looking at. First of all, let's look at Bitcoin just quickly. I'm going to throw the monthly up. Check it out. Back into that cradle zone. It's good. It's above 10,000. It closed, obviously, just now, today. So that's good. The weekly. Well, have a look at the weekly. Bullish candle broke the high. Here we go. Let's break this high. Let's break this high. Let's get moving. It still looks good. On the daily, bugger all has happened in the entire week. Very little indeed. Very, 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 very little. So nothing really for me to trade on Bitcoin just yet. Need to see it get up through here. Why that level? Well, look. Realistically, above here is the first one. So above 10,868 would give us a higher low and higher high. But I want to clear here. And ultimately, I want to clear 11.2. They're the levels of significance for me on Bitcoin to the upside for now. And that's what I'm going to focus my attentions on. As far as anything else out there, well, let's have a look. I quite like the FTX token. Now, you can trade this on spot within the platform. And I've actually got a spot list here. Have a look. Yeah. FTX spot list. And here it is. FTT against FTT against dollar tether, or USD, as you see here. Look, it's in this tight little channel. Now, I don't yet have a trade there, all right? I don't yet have it. There's 3 tests up here. Bring it down, but it's a little bit messy. I'm going to keep it there. I just don't quite have that break of what I need. And look, I do hold the FTT token, and I've got to say that if it does break out through that region, there's 2 things. One is I can do a spot trade. Fine, no problem. The other is I could just buy more and hold it. Let's look at that monthly. Look at this trend. It's glorious. Back in again. Look at the weekly here. Check this out. Look at how beautiful this trend is. Now, it's got a little bit messy up here, but it's in a really good spot. Really liking the look of it, as a matter of fact. Good cyclicity, strong trend. If I come to the daily, if it were to break through that level, right, then we'd also have this as being it's a consolidation on the daily. Then we'd have a higher high. So I may just look at an order there on the token itself and just it's on the list. Sorry, I've had it in the wrong one. It's on the list, and that's why it's looking pretty good, and it's a breakout of consolidation that I'm keeping a close eye on. Now, if those of you who don't have my breakout trading strategy, then go and get it. Otherwise, looking for a break above and a pull back in for a cradle. If you know the booster, that's also on the cards. They're coming back to the list here. Also going to have a look here at Cosmos or Atom. Now, here's the thing. I saw this bullish candle this morning. I toyed with it. I thought, am I going to take that? Am I not? I didn't. And the reason I didn't is because there is resistance just up ahead. So why have I got this in my watch list, you might be asking? Well, because if it breaks above, a pullback into this level could be absolutely glorious. And I shall wait for that. BNBPERP has been running on beautifully well. Look at this beautiful cyclicity here. I do want to see it do a little bit more. Although I'd be happy to consider opportunities here on, say, the 1 hour. Maybe the 30, but probably more the 1 hour. Some of the other contracts I'm looking at is ZECPERP here. If you see here, test 1, test 2, test 3, we broke. I didn't have a place for a stop loss that I was really that happy with for a breakout trade. So what I'm waiting for now is just to push above and a pull back into that region. So looking really, really nice there, but nothing for me just yet, just in that watch list. BNBPERP, wow, well look at that. I mean, we're a bit stuck for a while, pushed above, higher low, and boom, that's the trend I want. That's the trade. Sorry, that's the cyclicity that I'm after, and I am waiting for pullbacks on the 2 hour. I'd even consider pullbacks on the 1 hour here as well. I have got here packs. So gold, look at where gold is. Oops, wrong chart. If I come into here and show you this, look. A bit of a messy high or lower high here, but it's pulled straight back into that support region. And there's a bearish candle right there. Now, I'm not sure how many people actually trade gold on the platform here, but if you do, that's definitely an opportunity for a potential short. Now, you might be thinking, well, hang on a second, gold won't fall. Don't think. Remember, trade what you see, not what you think, because you're not paid to think. You've got to do the right thing and trade properly, all right? Then we go to ZECPERP to round out that list and have a look here. We've got a really nice trend once again pushing on. Beautiful cyclicity, higher low, higher high, waiting for that pullback. Would I trade the 1 hour? Absolutely, yes, I would. So it's nice to see these alts now. I'm just putting these fibs in just to try and plan this trade out a little bit better. it's not. I just want to see it pull back into the cradle, really, for a cradle trade. It's nice to see the alt starting to fire up again. It's coming back to look like the market that we had a couple of months ago when it was a lot easier to find great trades and make some good money. Guys, have a fantastic day. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and watch the description below, or read the description below. Watch the videos there to get your head around how to use the FTX platform. You have a great day. Speak to your mates. Make sure they're okay. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.